What is IELTS and what is it all about? Why should you take the IELTS and how Texas Review can help you in IELTS scoring? IELTS are the International English Language Testing System is an English language proficiency test. This test is taken by people who aspire to study or immigrate to English-speaking countries. The IELTS test is taken to check whether you will be able to communicate in English in an English-speaking country. Your test scorecard represents your English language proficiency to the immigration authorities and universities. IELTS test is conducted around the year in various countries. The test candidate's minimum age should be 16 years and above with a valid passport. There are two types of IELTS. IELTS academic test. This test is taken by students who want to study in international colleges or universities. IELTS general test. This test is taken by people who want to work or settle abroad. The test is organized by the IDP education system and it evaluates the applicant's accuracy in 4 different modules of the English language, that is listening, reading, writing, and speaking. The candidate will be awarded scores on a band scale of 0 to 9. In order to get a good score in IELTS, you need a lot of dedication and practice. You must be thinking about how Texas Review can help you in scoring well on your IELTS test. Well, we provide comprehensive, high-quality training and study plan to our students, which makes IELTS training easier for our students. If you want to take IELTS test, you must book your slot by visiting IDP's official website www.IELTSIPindia.com, and IELTS exam registration fees is $195. Join Texas Review and get effective study material, unlimited mock tests, online and offline classes, free full-length tests, personalized training, expert faculty, tips and techniques, 6 months course validity, flexible batches, free admission counseling. Let's look at some of our students who score well on the IELTS exam. For more information visit www.texasreview.in or call us +9191 004449220.